back. It's been a while we did a video like this, so just trying to make you like my weekly analysis and my bias on the setup I'm looking for this week. So it's low. That stuff is low. So yeah, guys, let's start it. Start from ADSD. First of all, I like to go to the daily time frame to like check main bias, and as you can see, ADSD is still bullish, really bullish. So my strategy, what I look for is for a buy setup, I look for stuff like this, a sweep of this low, then break of structure, then I want you to come back again, give me another break of structure before coming back here to this POI here, then I'll buy to the upside. So this is what I look for. This is where my POI is going to be. Yeah. So what I'm trying to say is this is the structure of what I used to look for according to my strategy. First of all, a sweep, as you can see here, a sweep, a break, yeah, first break of structure, another break of structure, yeah. Then I'll wait for it to come back down here to sweep this liquidity here. Once price sweep this liquidity here, then I will enter base of this PYF, which is called the QMR. So for me, this is like a type 1 setup. So yeah, there are two. This is the second one. Second one is I want to have a sweep of this low. So I will have the structural liquidity here before the main break of structure, like this. Then I'll wait for it to come back here. So I'll buy from here. Then I'll turn it back up. Very easy, guys. Then I'll try to like buy from here. This PY here. You guys get what I'm saying? So this is what I look for. These are the two stuff I look for if I want to buy. This is like the type 1 and this is the type 2. Very easy. So for the sell setup, it's still the same thing. You just have to like look for a sweep of this low, then stuff like this. So you should come back up here before you buy, before you sell. I mean, you sell backwards. Look at this, and this is going to be the POI you want to sell from. Don't forget, you're going to have two break of structure. As you can see, this is the first one. This is the first one here, and this is the other one here. This is the other one here. So let's just get to it and start doing our analysis. So let's get to it, guys. No wasting of time. So on ADSD, since we're looking for buy, I'll just come back to like this morning for like maybe 30 minutes because I'm not really seeing any nothing crazy. See, I missed this setup last week. This sell setup, this stuff didn't tap me in. But anyhow, no setup here. Then I go to use this the next pair to check if I'm going to see any setup. Go to the daily time frame first. There's nothing here too. I can feel it. Nothing here. Do you know why? Nothing really here. Also, then most of the pair. I've not seen what I'm looking for. I've not seen what I'm looking for. Just hold on. This is the type 2 setup here. As you can see, according to what I explained, look at what I'm seeing here. Sweep of this eye. Then you can see this small pullback here before the drop. So I'm supposed to come back to this place, then I'll sell from here downwards. You get easy. So now this is what I have since last week. I'm looking forward to sell once price get to this point here. So yep. So this is our first setup for the week, as you can see, on AUDJPY. Then let me just save it. I'll save this bit. Move to the next pair ASAP. GBP AUD. Man, look at this massive sale I caught last week. So not really any stock crazy stuff. Here. Check well. Nothing really crazy here also. Remember, it's just a new week, so price is just recovering back from last week crazy shit. So nothing here also. Most of USDT. Nothing crazy. Let me check this one. I'm seeing a sales setup here on US30. Let me show you guys what I'm seeing. First of all, same stuff we're looking for. As you can see, from here, price made this like sweep the eye. One, that's the first off. Secondly, you can see the break of structure, and now you can see it went back up again and break structure again to the downside. So what we're waiting for is for price, this place, to go back up to this POI. Then I'll sell. So simple. I'll just draw my QMR from here. Draw my QMR from here. Then this is the structural liquidity. This is the structural liquidity. Then I wait for price to come back up here. Then I'll sell. Actually, this USDT is bullish, but you want to catch all those sell setup on the premium zone. So now on the premium zone, how can you validate it? We go to the 4 hour time frame. I go to the 4 hour time frame or 1 hour or let me just say 2 hours. You see from here, where's our Fibonacci to? From this high here, this is the last low here that breaks struck to the upside. You see that we are inside the premium zone. We are selling inside the premium zone, so there's no problem. We can take this trade. So you are looking for a sell here. Looking forward, sure. So yeah, that's it. Looking forward to sell US30 at this point. Then save AD card next. Nothing here. I can't see any stuff here. Nothing crazy here. AUD NZD. Nothing here also. Card CHF. No, nothing crazy here also. Card JPY. I think I made this sell last week. CHF JPY. Nothing crazy. Ethereum. I can't. Let me go to 30-minute time frame. I don't know. I can't really see anything here. So cause this sale last week also, banging up almost 5 RR. Let me see. Nothing crazy here also. Let me go to the bigger time frame to confirm. Nothing crazy. Euro card. I would love to sell this pair. Euro card. As you can see, same stuff. If you guys are active, you can sell Euro card now. Sweep of the low, break of structure. This is like a type 2. Created a structural liquidity again before the main break of structure. Then it came back up again. Yeah. So sell now if you're active. Sell Euro card now, guys, if you're active. Sell Euro card now if you're active. Sell now if you're active. Sell now if you're active. Sell Euro card. Okay. Move to the next pair. Euro CHF. Nothing crazy here. Euro GPY. I was actually selling this pair last week, but I closed at this point. But yeah, it is what it is. Same stuff. It's sweep. I was a bit of structural liquidity, then I buy. Go to the next pair, Euro NZD. Looking at this pair since like last 2 weeks now. Wanted to sell, you know. So the trade is active right now, but I'm currently on the trade, so I don't want to like enter any trade again. So if you're active, you can sell Euro USD, Euro NZD. Trade is active now. You can sell Euro NZD now. Sell now if you're active. Sell now if you're active. Sell now. GBP card. We trained this one since last week, and to reverse back after giving us maybe I think 1 hour about there, after giving almost 2 hour, 10 reverse back. But yeah. GPCHF. Waiting for a sale here also, as usual. So all this stuff I'm going to drop it to my Telegram channel where I drop free signals. NZDCHF. I see the sale set up here. So looking to sell from here. NZDCHF. Same stuff, guys. Very easy. Sweep. Break. Then come back here. Create a structural liquidity. Break again. Then look to sell from here. Then I'll sell downwards. Easy. So yeah, looking to sell what's it called, NZDCHF also. So yeah, NZDJPY. NZDJPY is nothing crazy here. NZDUSD. Nothing crazy. Let's check gold. Let's check gold. Gold has been moving crazy. Miss this sell opportunity here, but let's see if we can get a buy setup here. Let's try and see if we can scalp. Let's cancel this beach face. I'm actually not seeing anything here. Any reason to buy good? I can't see. I can't see any reason to buy good. No reason. Absolutely no reason. I can't see my setup here. You know what I look for? Easy. I tend to look for a sweep, break, or structure to the upside. Then come back again. Get another break of structure to the upside. Then come back down. This is what I tend to look for. But I can't see it. I can't see it on good right now. maybe that's not a form thing. What I'm seeing on good now is not yet prepared. As you can see, yeah, I can see a sweep here. Then that's a little bit too high. Let me draw it again. I can see a sweep here, a break of structure. But it has to like form a structural liquidity first to go up again before coming down, before I can buy here. That's what I'm looking at on good. Yeah, it has to come back here, so I'll buy from here. That's just it. So let me check silver notes just to round up audio stuff here. Silver, same thing, same stuff. I can't see any setup. Silver move just like gold, so nothing crazy here. Also, let's check BTC. BTC. No setup here also. So guys, I'm branding up here. I'll try to like make videos like this, stream my analysis like this, maybe 2 times a week, to try and connect and share my knowledge to people. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Easy. What time is it now? This is 5 a.m. See, I'm sweating.